Now, this is 25 years female patient complaining of yellowish discoloration of urine since 1.5 months, and uh, some, what we say, blood in uh, blood while spitting from the mouth. So this texture of the liver, I this is looking apparently normal, but what is the but in fact it is abnormal texture. You can appreciate by reasonable amount of cases in ultrasound, otherwise you can say that this is normal liver texture only. But apart from the texture, this texture is a porous texture with little bit heterogeneous appearance, little bit very fine, and the contour of the liver is little bit altered. Normally when we scan the liver in this transverse section, we see a V shape like this margin, okay, but here this v, instead of V it is becoming C shape. Little bit alteration of the contour is seen. No, yes, normally we see like this liver. V shape. But this V shape is seen by placing the probe extremely lateral towards the right side. And another abnormality is something related to the gallbladder. Here in the gallbladder fossa, we don't see the gallbladder, and this gallbladder is located just above this portal vein. Normally we see the gallbladder over here, but the gallbladder is located just above this portal vein in transverse view, and this is the longitudinal view. If we tilt the probe extremely towards the left, at present I have tilted the probe extremely towards the left, and then I am able to see the gallbladder near the left lobe, below the left lobe. This is the left lobe in the longitudinal section, and here is the gallbladder located below the left lobe. And when we scan for the kidney in this section, by tilting the probe we see the gallbladder, but here the gallbladder is not at all visualized by any of the effort in any direction. Gallbladder is not visualized from the by placing the probe on the right side while viewing the kidney. So there is some abnormality in the gallbladder location, I think, and this liver could be due to some chronic disease, hepatitis C or B or like that, some chronic infection, and the portal vein is dilated. Main portal vein is dilated. Main portal vein is dilated, and I will show you the image. This is the texture of the liver in bilinear probe. This is the contour abnormality. You see this, it is C shape, not V shape. In majority of the view it was looking like C shape, C shape. This is the distance which I had. This is my own technique. There is no any written literature about like this thing. Just for my own technique. This is the esophagus. and in this esophagus there are few tiny here vessels. This is the esophagus and there are few tiny vessels here, here, here. So it could be varices. Liver was measuring 12.8. There is splenomegaly 13.3 centimeter. This portal vein is showing dilatation 15 mm. So there is portal hypertension and some sort of cirrhosis of liver maybe.